In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and consume information. As we move into 2023, there are several mind-blowing trends in social media that you need to be aware of. These trends will shape the future of social media and have a profound impact on how businesses and individuals engage with their audience. In this article, we will explore 5 key trends that you should know about for 2023. The rise of augmented reality, AR. Augmented reality is no longer limited to gaming or entertainment industries. It is now making its way into social media platforms. AR filters and effects have gained immense popularity on platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, allowing users to enhance their photos and videos with virtual elements. In 2023, expect to see more advanced AR features integrated into social media apps, providing users with immersive experiences like never before. Why does this matter? With AR becoming more prevalent on social media platforms, businesses can leverage this technology to create unique brand experiences for their audience. Imagine trying out different products through an AR filter before making a purchase or virtually attending events through live-streamed augmented reality content. How can you adapt? If you're a business owner or marketer, start exploring ways to incorporate AR into your social media strategy. Consider creating branded filters or effects that align with your brand identity and resonate with your target audience. The growth of ephemeral content. Ephemeral content refers to posts or stories that disappear after a certain period, usually 24 hours. Platforms like Instagram Stories and Facebook Stories have popularized this format over the past few years, but it's only going to grow bigger in 2023. Why does this matter? Ephemeral content creates a sense of urgency and exclusivity, driving higher engagement rates. It also allows for more authentic and spontaneous content creation, which resonates well with today's social media users. How can you adapt? Incorporate ephemeral content into your social media strategy by sharing behind-the-scenes footage, limited-time offers, or sneak peeks of upcoming products. Encourage your audience to engage with your stories through polls, quizzes, or interactive elements. The emergence of social commerce. Social commerce is the fusion of e-commerce and social media. It enables users to make purchases directly within their favorite platforms without having to leave the app. With the rise of influencer marketing and seamless shopping experiences, social commerce is set to become a game-changer in 2023. Why does this matter? Social commerce simplifies the buying process for consumers while providing businesses with new revenue streams. By leveraging influencers' power and integrating shopping features into social media platforms, brands can reach a wider audience and drive conversions more effectively. How can you adapt? If you're an e-commerce business owner or marketer, explore opportunities to integrate social commerce into your strategy. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand values and leverage their influence to promote your products directly on social media platforms. The importance of authenticity. In an era where fake news and filters dominate our feeds, authenticity has become a highly sought-after trait on social media. Users are craving genuine connections and real experiences from the accounts they follow. Why does this matter? Authenticity builds trust between brands, individuals, and their audience. By showcasing real stories behind your brand or being transparent about challenges faced along the way, you can establish deeper connections that resonate on a personal level. How can you adapt? Focus on building an authentic online presence by sharing relatable stories or user-generated content that showcases real people using your products, services. Engage in meaningful conversations with your followers instead of relying solely on promotional content. The continued growth of video content. Video has been dominating social media for years, and its growth shows no signs of slowing down. In 2023, expect to see even more video-centric features and platforms emerging. Why does this matter? Video content is highly engaging and easily shareable, making it a powerful tool for businesses to reach their audience effectively. It allows for storytelling in a visually compelling way that can evoke emotions and create memorable experiences. How can you adapt? Incorporate video content into your social media strategy by creating short-form videos, live streaming events or tutorials, or collaborating with influencers who specialize in video creation. Experiment with different formats like Reels or TikTok-style videos to keep up with the latest trends. In conclusion, the future of social media is filled with exciting trends that will revolutionize how we connect and engage online. From augmented reality experiences to ephemeral content and social commerce, these trends offer immense opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. Embracing these trends will enable you to stay ahead of the curve in 2023 while building meaningful connections with your audience. So start adapting today.